Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing automation tool that can transform your business, but before you hit that buy button, there are a few things you need to know. Stick around and I'll share 7 crucial insights that could make or break your decision. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for the last one. It could save you money and headaches in the long run. First off, Klaviyo is designed for e-commerce businesses, which makes it stand out from other tools like MailChimp or Constant Contact. If you're running an online store, Klaviyo's deep integration with platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce is one of its key strengths. Unlike competitors that require more manual work, Klaviyo pulls in customer data automatically, helping you set up personalized email flows without having to dig through data yourself. Next thing, Klaviyo is all about segmentation. You can create super specific audience segments based on user behavior, like whether someone has made a purchase, abandoned their cart, or simply opened an email. This kind of targeting is way more advanced than what you'll get from tools like MailChimp, which can be more general in their segmentation capabilities. But with Klaviyo, you can send hyper-targeted emails that drive better results, which is crucial for growing your revenue. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. Now, Klaviyo is known for being more complex than some other email platforms, but don't let that intimidate you. Its drag-and-drop email builder is incredibly intuitive, so you can build beautiful emails with ease, even if you're not a designer. However, you'll need to spend a bit of time learning the interface if you're coming from simpler tools. If you're willing to invest the time, though, the learning curve pays off big time. The fourth thing you should know is pricing. Klaviyo operates on a tiered pricing model based on the number of contacts you have and the number of emails you send. This might feel more expensive than platforms like MailChimp, but if you're running an e-commerce store with a significant email list, the added features and automation make it worth the investment. Plus, you can start with a free trial to test it out before committing. Next thing, let's talk about the email flows. One of Klaviyo's standout features is its pre-built flows that can help you launch campaigns quickly. Whether it's an abandoned cart flow, a welcome series, or post-purchase follow-ups, Klaviyo offers all of these out of the box. What's even better is that these flows are automated, so you can set them up once and watch them run in the background while you focus on other areas of your business. The sixth thing is reporting. If you like to dig into analytics and understand your email marketing performance on a deep level, Klaviyo is a dream. It offers detailed reports on open rates, click rates, revenue per email, and so much more. This level of reporting is way beyond what you'll find with simpler tools like MailChimp, which is one reason Klaviyo is a go-to for growing e-commerce businesses. You get granular insights that help you tweak your strategy for better results. Finally, if you're seriously thinking about Klaviyo, be prepared for some integration options. Klaviyo integrates not just with e-commerce platforms, but also with social media channels, CRMs, and even SMS. This makes it a robust marketing tool that lets you reach customers where they are. If you're looking for a tool that can seamlessly blend email, SMS, and social marketing, Klaviyo has you covered better than most competitors. If you're convinced Klaviyo could be a game changer for your business, then click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best offer and access to an exclusive free trial to help you get started. Don't miss out. This could be the tool you've been waiting for to take your business to the next level.